it started right here. Get it started right here. About time for you to get it started. Get it started right here. Get it started right here. Last night, haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should